Filing the wrong insurance claim could cost you thousands or even get your policy dropped. In this video, I'll break down exactly when you should file a claim and when it may backfire. Hey, my name is Nick Good. I've been working for Hoel Roofing Remodeling as a project manager going on about 5 years now. And over the course of those 5 years, I have seen both the good side and the downside of filing insurance claims. In my opinion, the best time to file a claim for roof damage is after you have a roofing contractor come out there, take a look at the damage himself, and see whether or not that the damage is going to be substantial enough to file that claim. A lot of times I've seen homeowners think that they should file a claim just after a strong windstorm the previous night. Maybe they had some pea-sized hail, and I completely understand why they would think that. But a lot of times from what I've seen is even with some windstorms, there's not going to be a whole bunch of damage on the roof or on the exterior of the home. Same with pea-sized hail. There may not be any damage at all to the home, but it's always a good idea for the homeowner, if they're even a little concerned about it, to get a roofing contractor out there just to get that peace of mind and feel confident about it. Some risks that homeowners face when filing a claim when it's not worth it is I've seen homeowners get their premiums increased, and I've also seen insurance companies drop homeowners from filing these claims. Now that's a worst case situation. In my experience, a homeowner has to file a claim after a claim after a claim in order to get dropped from their insurance. So that's just something to be mindful about when possibly filing that insurance claim. So as a homeowner, it's kind of tricky to figure out yourself whether or not the cost of the damages is going to exceed that deductible, because they may not know exactly what these repairs and or replacements may cost. So it's always in my recommendation to get a qualified contractor out there to inspect the home and determine whether or not that cost is going to exceed that deductible, therefore warranting a situation and filing a claim. If a homeowner files a claim and then that claim ends up being denied, that doesn't automatically mean your insurance rates are going to go up or that you're going to get dropped from the insurance. However, if that situation happens over and over again, then you're very well likely to run into a situation where that insurance company is going to increase your rates and may possibly, in the worst case scenario, drop you from that insurance company. So my number one piece of advice for homeowners dealing with roof damage is getting a qualified roofing contractor out there prior to filing that claim, because not only could it save you thousands, and not only could it save you from your insurance dropping you as a customer and dropping you off the policy, but there is a chance that we may come out there and the damages aren't going to exceed the deductible and we can just knock out a small repair and we won't have to get insurance involved. I appreciate you guys watching this video, and if you have learned anything or gained any sort of insight from this video, please like and subscribe and make sure you are following us on Facebook.